7 preventive maintenance tip for your car. This will help you to reduce your repair costs up to 70% and also prolong the life of your car. Number 1, anytime you notice warning lights on your dashboard, ensure you perform the necessary diagnostics to know the right steps to take. Number 2, check your working fluid levels such as your engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, and others. Number 3 is the tire inspection. Always inspect your tire for wear and tear, and also always check your tire pressure as it can help with fuel economy. Number 4, always check for noises from wheel, suspension, the brakes, and other components of the suspension. Number 5, always ensure your regular and scheduled maintenance, your oil change, your transmission oil change, air filter clean, and others. Number 6 is the battery. Always inspect your battery for corrosion. Check the terminals and always check the voltage whenever you experience hard starting. And number 7 is engine noise. Inspect your engine whenever you notice engine noise and excessive vibration. This will help prolong your car and also save you from a lot of repair costs.